What's up, guys? This is Jeremy. We are still in Kansas trying to get it done. Josh has filled his tag, Darren's filled his, so it's officially my turn to hunt. We're going after a bird that we've been hunting for 3 days called Thor. Hope you enjoy it. It's a tough hunt. It's a different kind of hunt. It's not setting up, calling him in, but you got to do what you got to do. Check it out. All right, went and got Darren's bird put away. Looks too dark. I don't know if y'all can see me. There we go. Oh, let's get that. Alright, so we went and got Darren's bird put away. And got a little bite to eat. Now we are headed back out. See if we can kill this bird we call Thor. He's a stud. So we're gonna head down here and sit up for a while and just kind of be patient and sit on a little food plot inside the trees that Darren has planted. That's the plan. So we set up down here where we hunted the very first morning we got to Kansas, where the birds pitched down and then just went straight away from us when Josh was hunting. But we decided to sit back in the trees where these birds been working their way back in the evenings on their way to go roost. So we sit for a while, nothing. I guarantee you we sit for 2 hours, didn't hear a bird. And then all of a sudden, Darren makes a call sequence. Of course, we didn't get it on video. Bird fires off. We're like, oh yeah, here he comes. So we sit for about 30 more minutes and he gobbles again, but he's a lot farther away. So what do? We go after him. Check it out. We're gonna see if we can go get him. He's kicking our butt. Yeah. He's about 2 hours, more than 2 hours. What is he, about 100 yards out? He's just strutting around some hens. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, Lord.
Thor is down.
Damn!
Dude.
Gosh dang. He was closer than the hens.
That's what I was saying. He was coming right down that field edge. That's why I was like, get your gun, because I thought he was going to be right next to that cedar.
Holy smokes.
Dude, my knees, I about collapsed because I was straight legged. And I was just like, oh, I caught myself.
Sometimes you set up, you call them in. Sometimes you reap them. Sometimes you just stock them. However to get it done.
Oh, man.
I tell you,
I'm
I
shaking.
think that's the hardest bird I've ever had to hunt.
3 days?
Yeah. I see the camera shaking.
Dude, them leaves are like, ugh. Oh, man.
Oh, I gotta go look at it.
Dude, yeah, he's a beast. Oh.
Did you see my shell go? Be lucky,
yeah,
luck
it's right
to
there.
find it. Did you find it?
Yeah.
Flop, baby. Holy smokes.
Dude, 3 big birds in 3 days.
Can't believe it.
Yep, that's definitely Thor. Let's go check him out.
He got some hooks.
Dude, I told you.
I mean, he's got some. Thank you, Lord. Holy smokes.
Oh, hold on there. Leafs were a great idea until they aren't. Oh yeah, dude, those are the biggest hooks for the week.
Are they?
That's a big boy.
Come on. This is all. I can't believe that worked. Dude, you're right, he was literally 10 yards from us.
I was gonna say.
Like I had my spot picked out, my hole, and as soon as he put his head in that hole, I already had my gun up and my bead on it, my red dot. As soon as he put his head in that hole, I put my red dot on it. Boom!
I saw like his beard and chest and bam.
That was awesome. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the 3 episodes up in Kansas hunting with our good buddy Darren. 3 birds in 3 days, I'll take that any year. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Darren, thanks, buddy, for having us up again. Can't wait to do it again. Done.